Hi, I'm Martin Edgar, Digital Learning Specialist at HCUC, and today we're learning how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. In your Google Classroom, select the plus icon on the bottom right corner and select Create Assignment. In here, you can give it a title, Exam. You can give some instructions, this is optional. You can set a due date by selecting the drop down here, so we'll select tomorrow, and you can optionally put in a time, so that's midnight tomorrow. Topic, you can create a topic, or like I have done, you can select one that you've already created. You can attach a file from your computer, you can attach a file from your Google Drive, you can attach a YouTube video, or you can attach a link to a website. Then you can go to Assign, or from the drop-down menu, select Schedule, so you can schedule it for it to appear at 11 o'clock tomorrow, or you can save it as a draft and come back and work on it later. We'll go to Assign for now. And there it is, easily visible in the middle of your classroom. Check out our YouTube channel to see more intricate uses and how you can assign multiple copies of one assignment to different students. Thank you for watching.